After a Triad man paid thousands for a refrigerator repair, he says nothing happened and he was out all that money. That's when he called 210's Kevin Kennedy for help, who can now say case closed.
Many of us know the feeling.
We had just went and bought groceries.
You open the refrigerator and quickly realize it's not cool.
And I knew it was probably the compressor went bad.
The refrigerator in need of a fix.
So I Googled this one appliance company and they said they could come out that day, and I said, well, that's great.
The repair quote a bit pricey, $1,700. He paid, but then did some research. The parts only around $300. The job about 2 to 4 hours.
I challenged the price on it to the company. They said, oh, well, we'll knock off some money, and he brought it down to $1,600 and something. He said,
this is where things went from bad to worse. Danny told to pay the new price, and they'd credit him the previous amount. They didn't.
Every time you call, nobody answered. They screened the calls. You get a voice recording and leave a name and a number, and they'll call you back if they want to.
After almost 4 months and out $3,300 for the double repair payment, Danny makes another call.
That's when I call. News 2 wants to know. And
we don't waste much time. The repair shop contacted. Within a week, Danny has his money.
I finally got my refund back, thankfully, and I'm very thankful to Channel 2 for that help.
A fridge fixed, a lesson learned.
We'll never do it again. We'll do our homework before we do anything like this again.
Before buying or hiring, do some research. Look at reviews and compare prices before paying.
It's always a good idea to pay with a credit card. In situations like this, the credit card company will actually assist you in collecting a refund. They'll actually credit your account almost immediately while they investigate. And obviously, in a case like this where you did nothing wrong, that money should get refunded or at least replaced in your account. Kevin Kennedy, 2 Wants to Know.